With our roasting and cooking systems, you too can bring more flavor and freshness to your baked goods. In our systems, the roasting aromas are fully preserved during the roasting process and volatile essential oils are bound. Regardless of whether it is a simple flour cooking piece or whether you want to roast seeds and then produce a grain cooking piece, in both cases you will achieve a significantly longer shelf life for your products due to the high water retention. Preheating time is approximately 40 minutes and is programmed into the control unit's auto start program. The operator can therefore start the roasting process or the preparation of cooking piece immediately at the beginning of their shift. We would like to come back to the roasting from seeds followed by the production of cooked pieces. This production process offers a wide range of possibilities. In the example, malt cooking piece with leftover bread. In the first recipe phase, leftover bread is added, in this case dried bread slices. These are cooked in the first recipe step until a paste has developed with the help of the residual moisture present. The agitator rotates while alternately left and right at intervals. In the second phase of the recipe, the paste is lightly roasted. Both the cooking time and the roasting time depend on the amount of leftover bread and must be determined during the first recipe run and subsequently added to the base recipe. In the third recipe phase, grist, active baking malt and water are added. Depending on the integrated option, water dosing is carried out using load cells or a water flow measurement. At this point, it should be noted that all recipe steps, such as the time-controlled left and right rotation of the agitator, roasting and cooking times, as well as manual product additions, are anchored in the previously created basic recipe. The processing time for the malt cooking piece with portion of leftover bread is 3.5 to 4 hours. Result: an aromatic malt cooking piece for high-quality baked goods. Cooking pieces generally ensure partial gelatinization of the starch and extended freshness. Our roasting and cooking systems are available in the following sizes: RK260, RK380, and RK500. Special sizes or volumes available upon request. For even and efficient roasting, we recommend adding a maximum of 150 kilograms, regardless from the size of the system and the type of roasted product. The basic version is manufactured with a tank tilted at 3 degrees. Our spiral agitator not only enables the homogeneous mixing of your products during production, but also ensures optimal product emptying. For quick maintenance, the scrapers are equipped with a quick change system. In addition to the load cells mentioned at the beginning of this presentation, the basic versions can be optimized with further options, such as an emptying system or automated cleaning with cleaning lances including rotating spray heads. Product development. As production-relevant innovative options, we have the lifting function and pressure cooking in our portfolio, as shown in the following article. With the lifting and lowering option, the tank unit can be raised up to 12 degrees. This ensures optimal product emptying not only for seeds after roasting, but also for cooking pieces. The pressure cooking function, similar to the pressure cooker principle, offers several advantages. For example, cooking time is 40% shorter. This shortened cooking time means either a significant energy saving or an increase in capacity for you. We have many more options for you. We're happy to answer any questions you may have. roasting and cooking in one automated system. In the example shown, it's paired with 2 tanks for poolish production. The RK380 has a subsequent cooling tank to process the cooked piece into the main dough as quickly as possible. Do you need more information? 3D presentations have become an important tool in recent years. Simply schedule a consultation via Zoom or Teams. Do you have any further questions? We're happy to answer them.